Gear up for the experience of the future of travel luggage with our unique catalog of the top 5 best travel luggage 2024. The world travel. Having the right luggage is essential for a smooth and hassle-free journey. In this video, find the complete best travel luggage choices that reinvent revolution, performance, or user observation, setting the bar higher than ever before. So do not miss out on the opportunity to own the ultimate travel luggage partner of this year or later on. Travel Pro Max Light Air. Introducing the Max Light Air collection is very flexible and even now has a strong or lightweight design. This luggage is made from 100% polycarbonate consumer recycled plastic bottles and is brought out for impact and fascinating flexibility that make it easy to handle and carry, especially when navigating busy airports or train stations. It has 2 interior zipper divider panels that keep contents organized, separated, and secure. This suitcase has 8-spinner high-quality smooth rolling wheels that rotate 360 degrees, providing superior flexibility and a smooth freewheel in every direction. The precision glide wheels ensure effortless flexibility, allowing you to move your luggage in any direction with minimal effort. This carry-on bag has been tested to accommodate overhead bin space on most major US airlines. Fully expanded carry-on may not meet airline restrictions. This bag is available in 2 sizes. The compact carry-on is 14 inches and its weight is 6.1 pounds. Carry-on is 14.5 inches. A compact carry-on is for a 3 to 4 days trip, and you can also put on 5 to 9 outfits. On the other hand, carry-on for a 40 or 5 days trip and can also put on 7 to 11 outfits. This luggage has given you comfort or a controlled power scope light handle with a contour hold, yet the sturdy power scope light handle locks in 2 positions, 38 inches and 42.5 inches, to adjust users of different heights, and a personalized figure hold is designed with flexible touch points for appropriate grip or clam manipulating. Max Light is available in different colors: black, metallic silver, ensign blue, orchid, slate green, and champagne. At the price of $144.49, the Max Light offers exceptional value for its impressive capabilities. Haze Extract. Introducing the new Extract carry-on luggage is very lightweight, stylish, and efficient. It is made of lightweight polycarbonate fusion with a brushed metal texture. This luggage is lightweight and easily flexible, making it a reliable travel companion. It is made of metal corner guards. One of the standout features of the Extract 21 inches carry-on luggage is its practical storage options. It features a spacious main compartment with adjustable straps, allowing you to pack and secure your belongings efficiently. The interior also includes a zippered mesh pocket, perfect for storing smaller items or toiletries. Additionally, there are zippered compartments on the front and sides of the luggage, providing easy access to essential items or travel documents. Zipper-released expansion system allows for an extra 20% in packing capacity. This luggage has a flush-mounted built Transportation Security Administration lock combination lock. So you can pull the slider to unlock and press down the rest button with total until you hear the turn dial to set the new combination, put the latches back and turn dials to set the lock. Another notable feature of the Extract carry-on is its maneuverability. The 360-degree spinner wheel glides effortlessly, allowing for smooth and stable movement even on an uneven surface. This luggage is available in 7 metallic colors: rose gold, silver, black, ice blue, lavender, and midnight green, so you can choose any of these. It has a lightweight color-matching aluminum press button handle system with multi-stage locking heights. It is available at $169.99. The Haze Extract offers exceptional value or impressive features or capabilities. Velo Luggage. Introducing the new Velo luggage, which is made of a 100% polycarbonate durable hard-shell aerospace-grade aluminum frame, and with a durable stable joint design with high-quality parts for lifelong use. Velo is the luggage you can own for lifelong and use for any trip regardless of duration and distance. The suitcases come equipped with a smart locking system that can be controlled via the smartphone app. This eliminates the need for traditional locks or keys and ensures that only the owner has access to their belongings. With Velo Luggage's new smart locking system is Transportation Security Administration Lock 008 approved, allowing airport security to inspect the luggage without damaging the lock or suitcase. An expandable, durable, and sleek suitcase that can instantly transform into 3 different sizes: 16 inches small carry-on, 22 inches medium carry-on, and 26 inches large check-ins. The patented expandable design of Velo comes from its extra wide pop-up handle and the buttons on the top. Press the button, and you can either pull to expand or compress to reduce the size of Velo in seconds. Grab Velo without hesitation, pressing the switch, and go anywhere from short trips to long vacations, weekend stays to weeks travelings, single trips, or family ones. Velo could always be your best companion to every destination. Zippers on Velo luggage are designed to be suitable superbly with a telescoping mechanism. 2 zippers are provided on Velo when opening or closing the suitcase. Both zippers are required when telescoping. Both will run along with an upper one or lower one. So do not worry about the inner place of the 2 zippers, as these are designed to fit each other. Priced at $249, the Velo luggage offers a remarkable combination of performance, design, and features, making the journey easy. Samsonite Atrix. Introducing the new Atrix, which is made of 100% polycarbonate suitcases. The Atrix is made with recycled material, and its internal border with the logo net of internal pockets is made with 100% post-consumer recycled bottles. The coating and backing are made with entrained material. The bottom compartment comes with lowered, removable cross ribbons to keep all your belongings neatly in place. The large pocket on the divider pad and handy apron pocket offer extra practical storage. Green electricity is used for shell production or final product assembly. This suitcase has 4 suspension wheels that can reduce noise and vibration. With extra security with an integrated Transportation Security Administration Lock 008 look and kissing. This lock is Transportation Security Administration registered with the community trademark of Travel Sentry. With impressively hard, incredibly strong shells are made from rock skin, an original material that bounces back into shape easily and is highly resilient to resisting shocks. It is exceptionally powerful, thanks to its outstanding layer-by-layer inbuilt strength. This valuable suitcase is made in Europe. It is developed by our experienced research team and made at our own production plant. Rockskin material is a symbol of innovation and quality. It is available in 3 colors: black, dune, and steel's blue, with different sizes like 55 centimeters, 69 centimeters, 75 centimeters, and 81 centimeters, and its average packing weight is approximately 15 kilograms. This suitcase gives you a 10-year global warranty. At the price of $430 to $530, this suitcase gives you outstanding comfort. So you can enjoy a carefree, premium travel experience with the sturdy double-tube pull handle and smooth rolling suspension wheels, ensuring the ultimate ease of use and stable pulling. RS7. Welcome to the future of travel with the RS7 Smart Luggage, a revolutionary suitcase designed to enhance your travel experience and make your journey more convenient and secure. Packed with cutting-edge technology and innovative features, the RS7 Smart Luggage is the ultimate travel companion for modern-day travelers. RS7 with a sleek design and durability. RS7 Smart Luggage boasts a sleek and elegant design crafted from premium materials, ensuring both style and durability. Its lightweight construction allows for easy maneuverability, and the built-in retractable handle ensures a comfortable grip while on the move. RS7 has integrated smart lock system. Gone are the days of padlocks and combinations. The RS7 Smart Luggage comes with an advanced biometric fingerprint lock system for unmatched security. Your fingerprint is your key, providing quick access to your belongings while keeping unauthorized access at bay. With removable power bank and USB charging ports. Stay connected on the go with the built-in removable power bank. Charge your devices conveniently with multiple USB charging ports located on the exterior of the suitcase. Never worry about your phone or other gadgets running out of battery during your travels. This suitcase has smart weight sensing, so do not worry. Say goodbye to overweight luggage fees at the airport. The RS7 Smart Luggage features a smart weight sensing system that accurately measures the weight of your suitcase, ensuring you are within the allowed limit before heading to the airport. Ever left your luggage behind in a taxi or at the airport? The RS7 has a proximity alert feature that will send you a notification on your smartphone if you move too far away from your suitcase, helping you avoid leaving it behind accidentally. No more worries about fitting souvenirs or extra items into your luggage. The RS7 Smart Luggage comes with expandable storage and compression technology, allowing you to adjust the internal space according to your needs and maximize the packing capacity. The RS7 Smart Luggage redefines travel convenience and security. With its sleek design, advanced technology, and innovative features, it is designed to be the perfect travel companion for every journey. Embrace the future of travel and make your trips stress-free and enjoyable with the RS7 Smart Luggage. Price is not yet revealed for this innovative piece of luggage. However, its unique features and convenience make it a worthwhile investment for any avid traveler seeking a stress-free and memorable journey.